This is the upper cabinet that's going to go right here. This is the main section. I'm about to make drawers here that fits on these two tabs here. Getting ready for clear coat on this, clear coat on all the wood pieces that go in, some magnetic catches in here. This is the right side of the desk. We're gonna have a drawer here. I'm gonna put two sets of slides here. So there'll be a set here and a set here. Two drawers in one. You turn the latch, the bottom drawer opens. It's like a little secret drawer. Shut it, turn the latch back, and then the big drawer opens. When you see that later on, you'll know what I'm doing. This is what the inside of it looks like right now. Now here's the inside. Another secret drawer that goes under the two front ones. So you're going to push this in, it's going to pop out. Push it in, click it, it'll stay in. I'm going to get everything assembled. I'm going to make some drawers, get them put in, and I'm not going to show that on camera because it's boring. But just know that's what I'm doing right now. All right, there you go. Two slides here. There's going to be one drawer face attached to two drawers. When you turn the knob, slides are in. This is just a regular drawer. And here is the side again. This will be a little hidden drawer in here as well. I think the guy wants to hide some stuff in there or something. I don't know, maybe a pistol or a knife or something. Next shot, I'll be putting the drawers in. I'm going to make a bracket. When it's in the up position, it's gonna pull both drawers out like this. You turn the bracket this way and it releases the finger down, it will only pull this drawer out. This pull fit in here really tight on purpose because only the owner is going to know about it. All right, here it is. That's marking it. Turn this over, take a look. There's our black mark. That's where I'm going to make my cut. Didn't go all the way through. Gonna put everything back together and see if I got it right on the first try. I'm probably gonna have to work on it a couple of more times, but every now and then you get lucky. Got lucky, real lucky. You can see both drawers are opening. Turn it to the right, pull it again, and all we get is this one now. Pretty happy with that.